Morning students. Last class we have discussed about diamine, graphite and C60. So C60 means Buckminster Fullerene. Okay. So today topic carbon oxides. Carbon oxides. So overall carbon is forms two types of oxides. Okay, number one CO and second one CO2. CO means carbon monoxide, CO2 means carbon dioxide. Okay, it is monoxide, it is dioxide. In these two oxides we have discussed about preparation of carbon monoxide. Okay, so how it is prepared, what is the use of carbon monoxide. Okay, now listen. First of all, preparation of carbon monoxide. Suppose for example we have taken carbon. When burn the carbon in the presence of oxygen, when burn the carbon in the presence of oxygen to form carbon monoxide, or when combustion of carbon in the presence of oxygen to form carbon monoxide. So it is one of the preparation of carbon monoxide. So next second one, suppose for example we have taken HCOOH. HCOOH means formic acid. Okay, formic acid. COOH means just like acid group. So HCOOH means formic acid. When heated up this formic acid at 373 Kelvin temperature in the presence of concentrate H2SO4. Okay, in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 to form CO and water molecules, carbon monoxide and water molecules. Listen, H2O, H2O, next further CO, carbon monoxide. It is also another preparation of carbon monoxide. Listen, when heated up formic acid at 373 Kelvin temperature in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 to form carbon monoxide and water molecules. It is the second preparation of carbon monoxide. Okay. So when heated up formic acid at 373 Kelvin temperature in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 to form carbon monoxide and water molecule. Next, third preparation. Suppose we have taken hot coke, steam or water vapor is passed through the hot coke. So it is we write H2O, steam or water vapor is passed through the hot coke at 473 Kelvin to 1273 Kelvin temperature to form CO, carbon monoxide. Next H2, CO, carbon monoxide. Next hydrogen gas. Okay. So overall the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called water gas, or it is also called synthetic gas or syngas. Okay, synthetic gas or syngas. So what is the third preparation? When steam or water vapor is passed through the hot coke at 473 Kelvin to 1273 Kelvin temperature to form carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. The combination of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is called water gas or synthetic gas or syngas. So water gas is a fuel. When burn the fuel to give the more energy. So it is a gaseous fuel. Gaseous fuel. Fuels is classified into three types. Number one, solid fuels. Second one, liquid fuels. Third one, gaseous fuels. So solid fuel is for example, coal. Okay, coal is a solid fuel. And kerosene, diesel, petrol, these components is liquid fuels. Next, water gas, producer gas, these components is gaseous fuels. In these three fuels, gaseous fuels is give more energy. Okay, to give more energy. So it is third preparation. Next, fourth preparation. When we have taken hot coke, air is passed through the hot coke. Air contains two components, that is oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, air contains mainly three components, two components mainly, one oxygen and second one nitrogen. When air is passed through the hot coke at 1273 Kelvin temperature to form 2C plus O2 gives rise to 2CO. Okay, 2C plus O2 gives rise to 2CO and nitrogen. The combination of carbon monoxide and nitrogen gas is called producer gas. Producer gas. Okay, so what is the producer gas? The mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen gas is called producer gas. It is also good fuel. It is also good fuel, so to give more energy. Okay, so it is a fourth preparation. Compare with these two components, water gas is give more energy, at the same time producer gas is also to give more energy. So overall, producer gas is good fuel than water gas. Okay, producer gas is a high efficient fuel. Okay, very much of efficient fuel than water gas. Because just like when, so producer gas is a good efficient fuel than water gas. Because just like when burn the producer gas to give the very high calorific value. How much? 2.66 calorie per meter cube. Okay, so how much calorific value, how much energy? 2.66 calorie per meter cube. But when burn the water gas, it is give 1.33 calorie per meter cube calorific value. Okay, 1.33 calorie per meter cube calorific value. So producer gas is give more energy, but water gas is give less energy. Due to this reason, producer gas is a more efficient fuel than water gas. Okay, it is very important question. So producer gas is a good efficient fuel than water gas. Explain. So this question is very important. Yes, producer gas is a good efficient fuel than water gas, because when burn the producer gas, it is give high calorific value energy, that is 2.66 calorie per meter cube. But when burn the water gas, it is give less calorific value. So that is 1.33 calorie per meter cube energy. Okay, due to this reason, producer gas is a good fuel than water gas. Okay, so it is the 4 preparations of carbon monoxide. Next further, what is the physical properties of carbon monoxide? What is the physical properties of carbon monoxide? So first preparation, first point, it is a gaseous compound. Already we know that carbon monoxide is a gaseous compound. Second point, it is a colorless. Okay, colorless compound. Next, third one, odorless. Means just like a no smell. Okay, its content do not smell, and it is insoluble in water. Does not soluble in water. Okay, so this 4 point: gaseous compound, colorless, odorless, just like no smell. It is insoluble in water molecules. So overall, what is the chemical properties? Commonly, it is reacts with the metal oxides. It is used for mainly metal oxides is converted to metals. Okay, metal oxides is converted to metals. Suppose for example, we have taken Fe2O3. So iron trioxide. When this iron trioxide is reacts with carbon monoxide, to form in this reaction 2Fe and 3CO2. Okay, Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives rise to 2Fe plus CO2. 3CO plus O3, 3CO2. Overall, metal oxides is converted to metal. Okay, metal oxides is converted to metal. Suppose ZnO, zinc oxide. The zinc oxide is reacts with carbon monoxide at certain temperatures. To form in this reaction, zinc plus CO2. So zinc oxide, metal oxide is converted to metal. Okay, metal oxide is converted to metal. So it is use of our chemical properties of carbon monoxide. Overall, carbon monoxide is a very dangerous or poisonous gas. Okay, carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Commonly, in our human body contain blood. That blood contain hemoglobin. That is, hemoglobin is indicated with Hb. Okay, hemoglobin is indicated with Hb. When we observe the oxygen, that oxygen is combined with hemoglobin in our blood. Okay, oxygen is combined with hemoglobin. So to form oxyhemoglobin. So that oxyhemoglobin is a transfer continuously in our human body to give the energy, But when replace of oxygen, we have observed the carbon monoxide. That time hemoglobin is attacked with or reacts with carbon monoxide to form carboxyhemoglobin. Okay, carboxyhemoglobin. So carboxyhemoglobin is more stable component than oxyhemoglobin. Okay, so it is very dangerous. Which component? Carboxyhemoglobin. It is more stable compound. How much times? 300 times more stable compound than oxyhemoglobin. Okay, does not divide. Does not go in our human body. So that time to form the number of diseases in our human body. Okay, so due to this reason, carbon monoxide is very dangerous poisonous gas. Okay, it is also very important question. So carbon monoxide is poisonous gas. Explain. Yes, carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Commonly in our human body contain blood. That blood contain hemoglobin. When we have observed the oxygen, that oxygen is reacts with the hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin. That oxyhemoglobin is always transferred from one place to another place in our human body. Okay, to give the more energy. When replace of oxygen, we have observed the carbon monoxide. That carbon monoxide is reacts with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin. That carboxyhemoglobin is very dangerous component. It is more stable complex. Okay, how many times? 300 times more stable than oxyhemoglobin. Okay, so to form number of diseases, sometimes it's just like a human being, just like it's converted to dead position also. Okay, so due to this reason, carbon monoxide is very dangerous poisonous gas. What is the structure of carbon monoxide? So suppose carbon and oxygen. Between carbon and oxygen is contained triple bond. Between carbon and oxygen is contained triple bond. In this triple bond is contained one sigma bond and two pi bonds. One sigma bond and two pi bonds. Okay, so suppose double bond contain one sigma, one pi. Double bond contain one sigma bond, one pi bond. But triple bond contain one sigma, two pi bonds. Okay, between carbon and oxygen, how many bonds? Triple bond. In this triple bond, one sigma bond and two pi bonds. Okay, so what is the use of carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide is mainly used for to formation of carbonyl compounds. What is that carbonyl compound? Suppose nickel is reacts with the carbon monoxide to form NiCO4. Nickel tetracarbonyl components. Nickel tetracarbonyl components. Okay, so these components is carbonyl components. Carbonyl components. What is the use of carbon monoxide? It is mainly used for to preparation of carbonyl components. For example, nickel reacts with carbon monoxide to form nickel tetracarbonyl. And next one, second use, metals oxides is converted to metals. Already you know that. Metal oxides is converted to metals. Suppose zinc oxide is converted to zinc. Iron trioxide is converted to iron. Okay, so it is a good reducing agent. Good reducing agent. Okay, so it is the carbon monoxide. Further class we are discussed about carbon dioxide. So preparation of carbon dioxide and use of carbon dioxide. Okay, done.